A man is standing next to a wood lathe. The machine is running and the piece is spinning at high speed. At first he seems to just be watching, but then he steps closer, aligning himself directly with the rotating part. And this is where the critical mistake happens. The high-speed rotating piece suddenly breaks loose. There is no warning, no reaction time. The detached piece is launched straight toward the man's chest. The impact throws him backward instantly, and he falls to the ground. These types of accidents happen in milliseconds. Standing in front of rotating equipment is one of the biggest risks, because when a part breaks off, its direction is almost always toward the operator. It starts like an ordinary moment. After work, employees are gathered at the exit, waiting for each other. One of them begins walking toward the door, but just a few steps away, something unexpected happens. The heavy garage door suddenly starts closing rapidly, without any warning. Just as the man is about to pass under it, he instinctively stops and narrowly avoids being crushed. The shock of the moment is visible on everyone's faces because the door shuts much harder and more uncontrollably than normal. No one is injured, but the incident clearly shows one thing. Even automatic doors can become dangerous when they malfunction. Sensor checks, regular maintenance, and emergency stop systems. These small details can sometimes save lives. Ensuring industrial electrical safety is a vital lesson for every workplace, as demonstrated by a critical incident in a textile facility, where a worker accidentally touched an energized metal frame. This contact resulted in a sudden electric shock and a collapse, but swift action from colleagues to de-energize the equipment prevented a worse outcome. To maintain a safe environment, facilities must prioritize routine equipment inspections to identify frayed wiring or grounding issues before accidents occur. Implementing safety devices like ground fault, circuit interrupter, GFCI breakers is essential for detecting leaks and cutting power instantly. Furthermore, workers should always wear proper personal protective equipment. This video serves as a critical warning regarding workplace safety standards in automotive service centers. The footage captures a red sedan being raised on a hydraulic lift for inspection when it suddenly loses balance and crashes toward the floor just as a technician steps away. The collapse happens instantly, causing the front of the vehicle to strike the ground and surrounding equipment, resulting in significant property damage. Fortunately, no injuries occur due to the quick reactions of the staff on site. This incident is a stark reminder to strictly follow safety protocols, such as double-checking lift points and weight distribution before elevating any vehicle. Regular maintenance of lifting equipment is essential to ensure operational integrity. Above all, never stand under a heavy load without secondary safety supports, as a single moment of negligence can lead to unpredictable and costly consequences. In an industrial setting, a single moment of inattention can lead to severe consequences, as documented incidents highlight the high risks associated with automated systems and heavy material handling. A robotic arm may unexpectedly activate while a worker is within its operational radius, or heavy materials can collapse if equipment is operated incorrectly. These situations often stem from a lack of communication or failure to maintain a safe distance from active machinery. To prevent accidents, personnel must strictly follow lockout, tagout, load-out protocols by de-energizing equipment before entering a robot's workspace. Additionally, workers should never stand directly in front of, behind, or beneath heavy loads. Maintaining vigilance and clear communication ensures that safety remains the foundation of all production activities. Maintaining industrial machine safety is a vital lesson for every workplace, as demonstrated by a critical manufacturing incident where an operator was positioned too close to moving parts. Due to a lapse in caution, clothing or a limb became entangled in a high-speed rotating spindle, and mechanical force quickly drew the individual into the machine's narrow clearance. This event highlights inherent risks in industrial environments when safety protocols are ignored. To prevent injuries, operators must strictly adhere to designated safety zones around rotating shafts. Proper attire, such as avoiding loose clothing or unrestrained hair, is vital to prevent entanglement. Furthermore, facilities must install emergency stop buttons, use machine guarding like physical barriers. Workplace and daily safety are vital for everyone, as surveillance footage shows how small lapses in caution can lead to hazardous incidents. Whether operating industrial machinery or using ladders without stabilization, risks can manifest in seconds. A lack of focus or ignoring protocols often results in loss of physical control and preventable injuries. To stay safe, strictly adhere to operating procedures by securing clothing and maintaining distance from moving parts. For height safety, always have a second person. Secure your ladder on stable surfaces. Maintain situational awareness, as distraction is a leading cause of accidents. Everyone should be trained in emergency shutoff and first aid. Ultimately, safety is a personal responsibility. Prioritize your well-being before every task. In industrial environments, a single moment of distraction can lead to unforeseen hazards, as demonstrated by a high-risk incident where a worker was positioned within the path of heavy structural materials. Due to a lapse in situational awareness, a large concrete block unexpectedly shifted and fell toward the worker, who fortunately managed to clear the danger zone. This event provides a vital reminder to respect safety exclusion zones by never standing beneath active lifting equipment. Proper use of personal protective equipment, such as certified hard hats, serves as a final line of defense. Furthermore, operators and ground crews must maintain constant coordination and clear signals to ensure the area remains clear. Proactive hazard identification is every individual's responsibility. At the construction site, a red crawler crane began lifting a heavy excavator. At first, everything seemed normal, but a critical mistake was made before the load was fully lifted off the ground and properly stabilized. The operator started rotating the crane. As a result, the excavator swung sideways and struck a nearby wall. The load became stuck and couldn't be recovered. At that exact moment, balance was lost. The crane couldn't handle the unstable load. It was structurally stressed, and within seconds, it broke and collapsed. The excavator then fell uncontrollably. This incident highlights the most critical rule in lifting operations: never change direction before the load is fully stabilized and safely lifted. This video serves as a serious wake-up call regarding workplace safety in the construction industry. In the footage, a worker attempts to manually strip the surface layer off a massive wall using primitive tools. He is operating in an extremely hazardous position, standing on the edge of a deep, unguarded excavation pit with unstable footing and no personal protective equipment, PPE. Within seconds, a massive section of the wall unexpectedly collapses. The worker narrowly escapes by a split second, just before the heavy debris plunges into the pit. This near miss highlights how thin the line is between safety and disaster when protocols are ignored. Never trade your safety for a shortcut. In demolition, site assessments and PPE are mandatory. A minor oversight regarding structural integrity can lead to life-altering consequences. Always prioritize your well-being for your family